Let us now look at how to identify duplicates in our data. In this case, we are going to use deprecated function and then sum that. We have 12 duplicates in our current data frame, and the deprecated values, we can choose to keep the first or the last. Let's see, the duplicated values is df duplicated with first. Then these are the duplicated values. We can move forward and drop all duplicated using drop duplicates, keep first in place true. This is just a function that has several parameters. Keep and in place, make sure you have selected. We can also select second if we want to keep the second entry. Then after losing the duplicate, you can see now we have 25, 12.